Right, today's job we're doing a gearbox, automatic gearbox service on a Peugeot 207 automatic Vvti engine. We thought we'd do a video because we've had to do a bit of discovery. But here's the Peugeot 1.6 auto petrol. We'll go down into the pit. So the first job we had to do was take the sump out of the gearbox housing, which is so, and they all started to drip, but it literally gave us about, I don't know, about a litre, probably less than a litre. A bit confused. A few little searches later, and we discovered that inside the sump, which is buried deep, is this it's an Allen key, almost secondary plug. So we'll screw it in now so you can see. You wouldn't kind of spot it on first look, and because the oil comes straight out, you just assume that the oil was draining, but it was literally dripping out, or a slight run. So that's what it looked like. You kind of, while the oil was pouring in your face, you couldn't see anything different. Then, like I said, discovered, as you'll see in there now, there's a little plug, Allen key. You pull that out, and then it pulled out nearly 3 litres, which on all research it says roughly 3 litres for a service fill on this gearbox. The idea now is the top up plug is on the top of the engine, so I'll show you that. So we had to take the airbox off, and then just down there where you can see that I don't know, a bit of piping we found, we've had to crack the nut, which is the same size as the one on the bottom. Made, was it 8mm? 8mm socket, yeah, which is just at the bottom there. Just see there. We've made shift a bit of a pipe with a funnel on the top, and this is where we're going to pour 3 litres in. To start with, the idea is that we pour in there with the sump back in, 3 litres. We'll start the car, let that run for a few minutes, turn the engine off, and then we'll take the sump out but leave the Allen key part in, which is the measurer, I guess, the leveler, I guess, and then we'll keep topping this up until it does the initial thing that happened, which is when it dripped out, and that tells us there's enough oil in there, and then we can piece them all back together. So that's it. See you in part 2.